Welcome to the AI Prompt Engineer. Here is a new update on ChatGPT's upgrade plan. As you see here, we are getting a yellow icon highlighted. So this is a basically update plan. So there are two features. One is a free version where we will use a free, but maybe we face issues like most of the time there will be some traffic issues or some other kind of issues as we are also facing earlier sometimes. And the another one is a upgrade plan, $20 per month. So maybe this is news is for few people this is a great news, and maybe most of people don't like this news, but yeah, it's okay. Like this is a win-win situation for both. So yeah, as you go to this upgrade plan and you pay $20 per month, then you will use everything in ChatGPT like without any difficulty or any issues. So yeah, it's good for those who are very serious and using ChatGPT in their daily works. So thank you and follow the channel.